Welcome to another POV video. This one's from Sardinia Wingfoil Racing World Cup. How quickly it all goes wrong. So here we are coming into the start and I'm a little bit off the line. So in this Gold Fleet race, I've come out on port on an 8-meter wing, even though it's 25 knots. Try and get out of this guy here, Kai's bad wind. So Oscar and Kai have been off to a pretty good start. And I've kind of dropped back a little bit. Luca's almost on top of me, so I've got some work to do to get out of that spot. I'm pumping and pumping and pumping up and accelerating, and here I'm actually doing quite well, so I managed to get in front of him, or at least, yeah, so here I am and he's ducked behind me now. So pretty happy with how that's gone. Looks like I'm recovering from, not a great start, and on this big wing, obviously, I'm pretty powered, so I'm just focusing on locking in, keeping the wing high off the water, and full powered the whole way. So it's pretty fast feeling, and here you can see I'm going faster than a lot of the guys around me. I'm just slowed down a little bit, but yeah, comparing to them, I'm doing really well. So that's Matas Gio just on top of me, who's the reigning world champion, and did quite well holding him off. Here he is, he's tacking right on top of me, and you can see him pumping away like crazy. I'm not doing a lot. There's Thomas Prouse rolling over the top of me, and I get a bit of wind turbulence here. As you go behind, you get some funny wind shadows and stuff happening. Here comes a big gust. I'm locking in, trying to accelerate, and boom, that is it. So I've caught that big wings wingtip. It's 4.2 meter span. I'm stuck upside down. I've actually got my head stuck inside those flaps there, and managed to get out of that not very nice situation. And that is just how quickly it all goes wrong. So you can be right there. We can just have a quick look at the tracker. These guys are miles and miles away, and I'm still floating in the water.